Whoa. Somebody's sitting up. I'm recording. Did you sit up on your own? Did you want to use... You doing bumbo sit?
Come on. Come on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. He's doing it, Mom. Just tilting. He's going to turn all the way around.
We like 3D shots.
Don't do it. Your mama's crazy.
Auntie Eilish is here. It sounds so weird.
I know.
Auntie Eilish is here.
Little. We're together, Ma.
Exactly.
Oh, we pooing? Poop, poop, poop. Yeah, he knows what that does.
I know, it's so weird.
I know.
Because he watches himself. Like when I upload it to the...
Can he see himself in the...
No. There's nothing to look... I mean...
There's nothing to reflect him on.
No. He just like... Look. Like he'll like move.
He follows, yeah. It's shiny.
He's like, that's the machine that's gonna make me famous.
Where are you going?
Yeah, there we go. Thank God I got that on film. So much vomit on film, it's awesome.
That's great.
As I can see him sliding down again.
With his little wings.
Hello. Oh, good job. Good job, big boy. Oh God, that's a serious bad head back there. Look who sits up. Look who's sitting up. I wonder if my voice can get any higher.
Where are you going, little man? You want uppy?
Big ups, big ups.
Look at your mama. Look at your mama.
I'm standing. I'm dancing. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Right? If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. What? Bill's totally gonna die when he says